Locating the menu button on your Vizio TV.
Hello and welcome. Today, we'll walk through the process of locating the menu button on your Vizio TV. Whether you've misplaced your remote or just prefer using the TV's controls, we've got you covered. So, let's get started and find that elusive menu button.
Understanding your Vizio TV's side panel.
First things first, let's understand where most Vizio TV models typically house their control buttons. They're not on the front, where they would interrupt your viewing experience, but on the side or rear of the TV, hidden out of sight. Most models of Vizio TVs will have their physical buttons located on the left or right side when you're facing the screen. In some cases, they might be tucked away on the lower edge or at the back. The buttons are typically in a line or a cluster, and are often labeled.
Finding the menu button.
Now that we know where to look, let's find that menu button. It's usually amongst the set of buttons we've just located, and should be labeled Menu, or represented with an icon, often 3 horizontal lines. Keep in mind, some Vizio TVs may not have a designated Menu button on the TV itself. Instead, they might have a single multi-functional button. In this case, you'll have to navigate the options by pressing this button multiple times.
Using the menu button.
Once you've located the menu button, using it is usually straightforward. Press the button to open the TV's menu, then use the other buttons to navigate. Often, the channel and volume buttons double as navigation buttons, up, down and left, right, and pressing Menu or OK again selects an option. We hope this guide has helped you locate and use the menu button on your Vizio TV. Remember, the exact location and operation can vary between models, but generally, you'll find what you're looking for on the side or back of the TV. Now, you're ready to navigate your TV's options without the remote. Happy viewing!